Hi everyone, so today I am going to show you how I made these. Very quick, very simple, easy peasy. I've used Bookpages and I've done these. Oh, my voice sounds really croaky, doesn't it? Anyway, I've made 3 and I've just used some digital music paper, which is a freebie on my coffee shop, and labels from ARTYmaze, butterflies from ARTYmaze. The little words that are in the black box are from ARTYmaze. The digital washi is from chapter 1, and then these here, I believe they're all from Tracie Fox. I've wrapped the label round on each one. And I used 2 book pages. I wasn't sure whether I was going to line them with coffee dyed paper, but what I did, you'll see in the process how I backed them so that the writing was up the right way rather than it being upside down. As you can see here, it's only upside down on the back. Okay, so yeah, enjoy the process. It'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Left a comment, I'd really appreciate it. Stay tuned and watch me make these. So here I just kind of put things together so I knew I wasn't sitting with a big mess in front of me. And I'm tearing up this digital paper, which is a freebie on my coffee shop. You can go check that out. Just inking that up. Now the process for all 3 is very obviously near enough the same, but I just use different things and different colours. So I was just showing you there that the way I folded it so that the writing at the top and the top flap and the bottom is facing the right way, although at the back it is the wrong way, but we're not worried about that. Anyway, so here, as you can see, I'm only gluing on that portion of the label because I'm going to back it and back the inside of it, and obviously I can't glue that down yet, but I do that later on just before I sew it. And just playing around with that music paper. So yeah, if you haven't got access to any music paper, I've got 2 sheets as a freebie, one in the white background and one with like a vintage background if you want to go check that out. Here I'm using some digital washi from chapter 1, which I think is brilliant, having a digital washi tape. Little label there from ARTYmaze, and I'm just popping that on there. I wanted to see a little bit of that music paper after going to the effort of printing that out. Butterfly, just looking at things as you do. That's how I work anyway. I kind of lay things on and move it around, and well, before I actually stick it right down. I don't know what's going on with my voice. I feel absolutely fine. It's allergy season. The big tree at the back of the garden's blossoming and it gets me every year. So anyway, this vintage book paper is it's over 100 years old, and it's actually in good condition considering. So I've just placed that sheet on top of the other sheet, obviously, but so that when you open it up, the words on the flap are the right way around. So yeah, both them pages were from the same book. So here I'm going to go and stitch. As you can see, look how quick that was. Ta-da! And that's that one. And then I'm just going to do another 2 in different colours for you.